cabin weekend. Sort of a fun one, different kind of fun. We've got a lot of work that we need to do up here. Girls are gonna play and we are gonna work. Grinder here. I'm just going to take up all this old mortar and hopefully it doesn't leak out all over the place. See ya! Is it all over my face? Nice.
So, Greta and I
Made an awesome hill.
made an awesome sledding hill.
Guess what? We're going to find more hills and adventure more.
She's adventurous.
It's my birthday. We're going to go see the Lego movie.
are in the process of looking at a potential flip house. It is something that we've always wanted to try doing, but we've always had other projects going on, and right now we feel like more than ever we just need to be busy with a fun project, and a flip sounds like a lot of fun.
Another tooth, my third one this week.
Yeah, hon.
Can I have jelly beans?
It's movie night. You betcha.